I'm really excited to seeing what other people are able to do with these machines when they get them in their hands.
I was so excited that it was something new and something different, something I'd never seen before.
I feel like this machine is going to push the consumer level 3D printing forward by a lot.
I want to congratulate Bambu Lab on their successful Kickstarter campaign and the backers who acted first and got the early bird prize.
What's up? This is Jim from The Edge of Tech, and I just wanted to wish you a happy anniversary. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with next, and I look forward to the next year with Bambu Lab.
Hey, this is Daniel from Modbot wishing Bambu Lab a happy 1-year anniversary. The X1 Carbon and the P1P along with the AMS has been an absolute treat to use, and I cannot wait to see what your team has in store for us next.
Hey Bambu Lab, you've shaken up the consumer 3D printing market with the P1P and X1 series printers. Congratulations on your first year. I can't wait to see what you do next.
Congratulations to Bambu Lab on your first anniversary. In just your first year, you have done an incredible job, and your machines have set a new standard for the 3D printing industry. I eagerly look forward to your next invention.
G'day, it's Michael from Teaching Tech. When Bambu Lab first contacted me, they referenced my 3D printer calibration website and said they were aiming to design a printer smart enough that users wouldn't have to worry about those things anymore. It seems to me that they have well and truly succeeded. So happy anniversary Bambu Lab, and I'm excited to see what you come up with next.